What to do today? SQL हो गया. I'm sorry, it's completed. No? Hmm? Okay, yes. What about that alter and all auto increment all? You guys have done it? No. Big no, right? Done. Very good. What about others? What about other folks, buddy? Hmm? Not done? Okay. We'll try to see first. Okay. Um, Inner joints. Okay. I'm like the basics is done. Like only we left out with the alter. Tell me, guys, everyone tried it or not? Tried? And this one more. Auto increment. Both tried. Okay. And what about joints? And what was the third highest? That also tried. Very good. Others tried, no? Your smile says that you did not try it. Says, tried? हुआ नहीं हुआ. But we have to do. Okay. So it's your task for the day today. If you're going to the lab, right, you have to do it. Okay. Fine. So we'll go with the then what else we left out? 1 minute. Let me check it out. No. I think this one, right? So we have left with it seems yes join, right? Join and script actually we are left out. So a script means what we'll do joins first. Basically joins we will not be using it. Okay. For just for information purpose or interview question purpose, let's try to understand the joins. Okay. So if you go with the joins, basically what is the meaning of joins? Let's try to understand. Okay. So joins is nothing, my dear friend. Okay. It is something that it will join two different individual tables. Okay. Two different individual table. Let me show you one thing. Okay. So if you see this table, I might have somewhere. Yep. Can you guys see these two tables? What all table are? First is employee table. Another one is department table. Okay. Employee table and department table here. So employee will have all the information related to employee ID. Okay. Then first name, last name, designation, salary, and department. Okay. And next is department table. So department table have a department ID. Okay. And we have a department name and we have a floor. Right. Right. So let's try to understand. If someone says to you that, let's see, Naveen is a fourth, right? He's in the fourth place, no? So let's see that someone is asking that, okay, which floor Naveen do sit? Which floor Naveen usually, which is a like workplace? Which floor is a workplace for Naveen? Which floor? How you come to know? Team lead, okay, he is a team lead, not team lead. Basically, we have to see the HR. Okay, what is the department? HR is the department. HR guys, where do you sit? They sit in the first floor. So here we are making the use of two different particular table here. So this is how something called as a table here. inner join table, outer join table. So that is called as a join. Okay. So we are trying to, okay, we are trying to understand here about join basically. One minute. Let me just a minute. So we have a two table, guys. We have one employee table here. We have another one, something called as a department table. Good. Okay. Now you have to find out few things to in this. Okay. First question is, guys. Okay. Have we discussed it, the top third salary or something? We have already discussed in that assignment. You guys done it. Top third salary. We gave this question or not? How to find the top third salary? Huh? We have given that, right? Okay. Will you able to do that? You'll do that, right? I'm like, you will do, or I have to do it? I have to do it. Okay. No, you have to try first. Okay. Wait, guys. Okay. Do one thing. You have to figure out this employee table, right? In this employee table, I wanted to find out the top third salary of the employee. Okay. So basically what happens, buddy, there is a table called inner table. Okay. So table inside table. Okay. We have something called table inside table. We have multiple way, limit also there. Different ways are there. Okay. To figure it out. Just tell me, okay, by seeing this, what is the top third salary? By seeing this, what is the top third salary? What is the highest salary here? Shekhar, right? 90,000. After that, Rahul 50,000. After that, Shekhar, right? Again, Shekhar Yadav. Right? He has a 20,000 salary. So this guy's salary is the top third. So how to figure it out? Think it. I have given you 5 minutes of time. Think it. First, try to think top third. Okay. From there, we'll pick one. So actually, there is a term called top, right? Top. Select top 3 star from employee, order by salary descending, not ascending, descending. You'll write select top 3 star. I'll write it also, don't worry. Top 3 star. Okay. Order by salary descending. Okay. So what will happen? On top, we will get it this guy. What is name? Shekhar. Okay. Then will come as a Rahul. Then will come as a again Shekhar Yadav. Okay, that will get it. Now this is three information you got it. Now from there you wanted to get it ascending order. You just alter that and make it top one. Okay. Just think it how to write it. Okay, I have given 5 minutes of time. Think it and let me know. Inner query. I have given that one example. Like what do you say? One. I have given one like hint also to you. Think it here real quick, please. Huh? Hmm. From the salary. Okay, from salary. And salary is what? ठीक है. Okay, fine. You read it right. Select top 1 star from salary. That means salary is a table here. From employee. Okay. So top third you are getting it. That will get at 50, no? Ascending will get at 10,000 then. Okay, that you have to include in the table, right? I'm like in query you have to include. That is a question, man. You have that 3, and from there you are getting top 1 ascending order. That is fine. Logic is completely fine. But how to draft in the query? How? That is the main thing, no? How? That is good. You guys understand it. Try your type. It seems people are not trying itself. Think it. Whatever it is, I'll type it. Actually, guys, this is here you can see that multiple things. It's not only coming in that one way. You can write it in multiple ways also. Okay. See, let me just write it out here just for no understanding purpose. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, let's see that. First thing is what? You have to get the top third, right? So top third means all 3 you wanted to get it. Okay. So just try to select top 3 star from employee. Okay. Order by, right? Because order by, if you write just top 3, you know what will happen? Ascending order will come. 10,000, 20,000 and 50,000 will come. You'll not get 90,000 also. Okay. So from employee, order by, salary, descending. That is one query. So what will fetch you? Fetch you first 90,000. Okay. Second 50,000. Then third 20,000. That will fetch you, right? Very good. My aim is to get 20,000. So 90, 50, 20. I have a one table. Imagine that. In this, I wanted to get 20,000. 20,000 lower one, right? So we will get ascending. Then 20 will come up. Very good. So what we'll do this time now? Select top 1 star from this guy. What will do, buddy? This guy, yes or no? Okay. This is a subquery, right? Okay. Come here. And what to do? Next one. Order by salary. Ascending, descending. Ascending. So what happened basically? You'll get something from this. Okay. Top 3 you'll get it out. And you from there 90, 90, 15, 20. Ascending 20 will come first, right? This will come. Clear now? Okay. Very good. So you just give a try. Okay. And we'll see. This is not only the way. We have option called limit also. Limit 1, limit 2. Limit also is a option. Okay. But this is the easiest way to understand it seems. Okay. Now fine. Let's come to the join real quick. Okay. Another after the employee not required. After from the require. Employee already. Oh, you are saying that 1 minute. Just is that, buddy? No. Here it's not. Why there it is not required? Because you are, if you write employee here, no. Chandrasekhar, if you write employee here, no. It will pick up from the employee table. Again, same thing will come, right? Top 1 will get means you will get a 10,000. These employees will not come. Why? Because you are getting it from what is your output? Output is here 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. Sorry, 90, 15, 20. From here you have to pick up 1, right? Okay. Right here. And one more guy has given this. Okay. You can work on this also, buddy. Washim has given. He is going with the row number something. We have a different ways. Subquery way, limit also is there. Someone can write in the limit way also. Come down, come up, come up, come up. Who else? Select a star from employee, come up, and then distinct. GitHub why pipeline is asking for the credentials. Guys, whatever these issues, we haven't resolved them. No one get a chance. Corona issues. Did he post it in the Telegram group? No. Karuna, you have to post it in the Telegram group right here. You'll go. You all guys are in the Telegram group. We haven't created any group for us. Then only few guys are there. Guys online who all are not in the Telegram group, buddy, let me know. Okay. Is it okay? Fine, dear. Fine. No worries. Okay. Guys, 1 minute. Let me give you the Telegram link. This is the Telegram link for everyone. Please understand. I think this is what the right link, I guess. You try to join on this. Okay. Try to join on this. If someone is not able to join, no, it's not expired actually. What happens? No, you're trying to click on it. Somebody, no, it is getting it expired. That doesn't mean that expired. I'm seeing that people are joining it. Okay. So for somebody it will not work. If you guys, somebody is not working, do one thing. Yes, buddy, somebody will not work. So what to do? You just try to join it. For you, if it is not working, just drop a message and not now. End of the class or tomorrow we'll take your number. Drop your number. We'll try to add it manually to you. Okay. That will do it. Right now? Karuna, Vamshin, everyone who is not able to join, don't worry at all. We'll be adding you. Okay. Fine here then. Okay, let's come to the point. Okay, there your issues will be resolved, Karuna. Don't worry. Now the next thing is we are left out with inner join. Okay, so let's try to complete this real quick in that. So what is the type of inner join and all it is there? Okay, inner join is nothing dear. We are trying to join two different table, like how we have a left table and right table, right? If you wanted to join it in the left table, what all the item are there in that will be coming as a left table, buddy. Okay. So let's see, join we have a 4 different type. Okay. So we have 4 different types. Let's see. First is called as a inner join. Second is called as a left join. Third is called as a right join. And fourth is called as a outer, a full outer, or you say, let's say outer join only. Okay, that is also full outer only. Okay, outer join. So how it will work out? Okay. Okay, next is here inner join means what? We have, let's see, I can show you one diagram. Okay, of this 1 minute. Yeah, so let's see, we have a 2 table. Okay, left table, right table. Okay, we do have a 2 table, guys. So what is the left table is employee and second is department. If you wanted to make use of left join, that means all that record of the employee table plus common between left and right. Do you get the point? Okay, let's come to the example now. Have a look here. Okay, what will come in the left join? Left join, all the record from the left table. Okay, all the record from left table plus common between left and right. What is the common one? Department name. Okay, that record will come. Do you get the point? Clear, no? If you're going for the left join. Right join means all the records from the right table. What all? Department ID, department name, floor, building, and common between the left and right. That is the point it will come. Clear? That is the point here. Now next is right join. Okay. Next is called as a inner join. So inner join means whatever the common, that only will come. What is the common? Department ID. Sorry, department name. Only department name will come. Clear? And full means both will come. Okay. This table also will come and that table both will merge it. Okay. That is called as a full outer join. This is basically interview question, guys. Okay. They'll be asking you what is the inner join, what is the left join, what is the right join, what is the full outer join. So you have to tell this. If they're going to ask that example also, give this 2 example. Employee table, department table. Say left join will go to this. Right join will go to this. Common will come to this common and all. Yeah, please. No, if it is no common point means that there is, connection is we established now, that is get fail. Okay. There is no common means condition only will get fail. I'll give the condition also to you. So let's see how the condition will come. Let's see, select employee dot, understand? Employee dot, let's see, I want to say employee ID. Just roughly I'm telling it, okay? From employee table. Okay. Inner join. What is the next table? Department. Okay. And you have to write the condition on. Okay. Employee dot employee dot department name equal to department dot department name. If this is not expecting, will not be able to. Here where will not come, on will come. Okay. This is the condition will come. Fine, dear. So you understand the meaning, right? Inner join, right join, left join, just for interview purpose. They'll not ask you to write. Even the real time also will not come to know that. We don't have to write it anything. Okay. Now my question is another here. Let's see that. What is the real job of DevOps here? Real of the job of the DevOps is they would be writing some query. Okay. Developer team will write the query like create table, select the record, insert the record, select the record, whatever. They'll create one query. You have to deploy it. Okay. The query has to deploy to your with the help of your DevOps. Okay. That is the real task of your DevOps case. Okay. That is our real task here. So how to work with this? We have to pipeline. Yes, we have to go with the release pipeline. Okay. But how will get it release pipeline? Guess it, think it. Okay. You have query with you. Just try to think it, guys. We have given that last time also. We have told you release for SQL. We don't need any build pipeline. Okay, release pipeline is quite enough. But how? Think it. I am given time of 5 minutes. Think it, guys. You have a query with you. Let's see that you have these two queries. Imagine that. Let's see you have this query with you. Okay. So how you'll go and create a release pipeline? In release pipeline, what you're going to select and all? Because release pipeline, you need artifact, right? What you'll keep in the artifact if you don't have a build pipeline? Think, give a try, buddy. Nothing bad in thinking. Think it. What you'll do in that? Sorry, buddy. Agent, which job? Agent job, okay. No. Artifact will get only with the help of build pipeline only. There's no other go. But I have a release pipeline. So how to fill the data for the artifact? What will play a role here, artifact? You'll build pipeline, then you are saying that? Artifact will not get generated. You are right. You're on the answer only, but I'm trying to deviate from the answer. I'm doing it, deviation. Think it there, nothing is there in this. Okay, we don't have build pipeline. That means we don't have artifact. So what will keep in the artifact? Got it? Anything? No. See, understand here. When you are creating a pipeline, then only you get a artifact, right? So what happens here? In this case, your script you are getting it, no? Script means like query, a list of queries. Okay, that will play as a role of artifact. Simple. Because in the if you have a coding, if you have services or something else, okay, you'll get a code. From code you can compile it, but what you'll compile with the script is already compiled one. It's already DevOps database guys will give a compiled script to you. Nothing is there to compile. Compile means what? You are trying to get into find some error, or you're trying to make it some low level language, some whatever you are doing it, okay. But here it's already the script one. You have to just generate it, right? So this script will play an important role for you understanding that, okay, this is my, what do you say? Input for me for release pipeline. Okay. So we'll do that, buddy. What is this question? Publish profile. Dear, there is nothing here in the publish profile, buddy. Chandrasekhar, publish profile will come picture where you wanted to directly paste some code to the application or FileZilla, anything. But here it's nothing related to like code. It's all a script, right? Karuna, okay, with the help of Terraform. Terraform, yes, buddy, you can do the Terraform. That also is a solution. Okay, but we haven't learned the Terraform, so it, right? Next is UI. You are right, Chandrasekhar. We can go with this. Okay, let's see that. Okay. First thing is I'll go to my portal. Let's see how it look like my portal. It is there or not or something it deleted. So go to the portal. I'm in the portal. I'll come to my DevOps account. Okay. I'll come to my DevOps account portal both. Let me log in this and let me log in here as well. Okay. So I'll come to here as well. So both the places will come. Now let's see what to do. We have to go to our project real quick. Come here with my project here. Okay. Now, so repo. Okay, you used to write the code in the repo, right? But this time, what is there? We have to write it something our artifact. We have to save the artifact here, not artifact, script. So we'll get the script from the developer, right? SQL development. So where is my script? So let's go to our some script. So I have already somewhere script is there. If not, you can generate it also. Yes, SQL query. Let me open the script. Okay, I'll just try to open it the script in Notepad. Okay, let's see that. Can you see this script? Okay, let's close this. I don't want this. Okay, so what is the script is saying that I wanted to drop the table employee. I wanted to drop the table employee. Then I'll create a new table employee. Okay, I'll add the data called employee ID, employee name, department or department name, whatever, employee salary, and I'll insert the data into that. Okay, like one Rahul CSC 10,000. So these three activity I wanted to perform it. Okay, this three activity I wanted to perform it. So what to do? You guys don't have to worry at all. Go to your SQL tool. Okay, go to your SQL tool. Right, you go to your SQL tool. So if you have already this code is there with you, so what to do? You just try to copy the code. Okay, or no need to go to tool also, buddy. Nothing is there in this. Okay, you know how to write the table. So since if drop means where the drop will work. In case if table is there, no, then right. So let's delete it. I don't want to go. I wanted to create a table. Okay, and I wanted to insert the record into that. Simple. Okay, this two thing. Or I'll try to insert one more record in this. So this is something called as a script here. Combination of few queries, right? This how the developer will give us two. So let's make some changes to two. Let me make it to Ajay. Let it make to IT 2000. Let's make it to 3. Let's make it to Rohit. Let's make it to civil. Let's make it to 500. Okay, just example, right? So let's see that these all record. First create table, add this. I want this information. Okay. So these all information I wanted to look into that, right? So what to do? You have to first save it. Okay. So if you saved it, so I'm pretty sure your query also might have saved it. Okay. So what to do? You first have to, how to save it, buddy? You just go to here and somewhere query. Where is that query? Close is still there. Is there? No. Okay. This is right. Right click. Open notepad. Okay. This is the data, right? Okay. So when you are doing it first time, you have to copy it. You have to save it. Okay. At the saving, what will give? Will give the file name, right? File name, no. So write it a SQL query or something. Your name query dot SQL. Write it. Make the extension as a dot SQL. Okay. If you'll make the extension as a dot SQL, it will become a script file. Portal. Oh, you wanted to upload their portal. That is my expectation. Portal, you can deploy this code to portal directly. You can enter the table that you do it. But my intention is to, I wanted to put this data. I want to deploy this through the release pipeline. Okay. I'll create a pipeline for this. Now this will go to the portal and see that. You can do it directly also. But what happens? No, we have access, right? But sometime development team will not be giving the access to your Azure SQL. So your job will be only left to deployment. Okay. So that we have to know. That is my expectation. So you got a saving. How to save it? Just write it here. Query. Save it. How to save .SQL? You write it. Extension as a .SQL. Okay. I'll tell you one more time here if you don't understand. Let's go to save as. Save as is there, right? You have subquery, right? Let me make it a subquery 1. And here the save as type multiple fields are there, no? Select as a SQL here. Structure data query language. If you don't want to do it, just don't do anything. .SQL write it. Okay. Automatically get changed into that. Okay. Fine. So I'll go back to my like points. Okay. Save it. Now, where is the part here? Let's come to my table. Okay. Let's come to my application first. From where would we get? Okay. Simple buddy Karuna will get from the development team. SQL. This is not the front end. This is the back database, guys. Database developer will give the query to you. Okay. Karuna, database developer will give it to you. Now let me go to the subscription. It is active. It's active. Go back here. SQL database. I don't have SQL database. Very good. Because it's a paid year, we have to pay it anyway. So Friday, I used to delete that. Okay, let's create a real quick. Come here. SQL database as of 9 a.m. July DB. Okay. Server, do we have anything? No server. Very good. Come down. Create a new server. Naveen server 1. Okay. Naveen server 1. Come down with the SQL authentication. Okay, right. Naveen SQL server login. Who is this, buddy? Just for practice. I'll do practice at the time. Okay. Karuna, if I thought you were asking for the real time, basically. If you wanted to do the practice, no, don't worry. I will be posting to the Google Classroom also. Or you can create by your own also. Okay, it's easy. Can you see this? It's pretty easy, no, Karuna? See, no? I have written on create table query. Okay. And I have just written in the insert table query. Anyway, you don't worry. I'll just try to drop in your chat box. Okay. Let me drop it in your chat box straight away. This is a query, Karuna. You make use of this. Okay. So let's come to my password. Okay, I gave the password as well. Come down. Let's save this. Okay. Now, okay. So table we have to create, right? I'll go with LRS, networking, security, additional setting, tags, review and create the table first. So it will take 375 rupees per month, but you'll get debited from the per minute wise, sorry, per hour wise. So it's validating now, then after that it will deploy it. So meanwhile, it is deploying here. Okay, we'll try to save our queries to our Azure repo or somewhere. Okay, come here. So let's do one thing. I'll make use of this our batch here, repo, and I will create another repo here. I will make it as a SQL repo. Okay, this I'll keep my SQL files here. Right. So let's try to add my file. Okay. So it would be somewhere in the desktop. SQL query, right? Today we have by 9:41. No? So let's pick this. Add to commit. So my SQL query is with us. Okay, good. So we'll wait for that application and we'll try to create a pipeline. Done. Okay, this is also completed now. So now what to do? We'll go back to our resources. Let's go to our resources. Okay, and we'll see our query editor real quick. Before that, we have to add up what is that? Pipe firewall. Kya hua? Sorry. Okay. So that firewall you have to set it out. Okay. Let's click on the firewall. Let's add the firewall. Okay. So you go back with your IP address, save it, and then try to connect it with the database. Okay, go back to your database now. We are here in the database. We'll try to go to connect with the query editor. Let's give the password here. Azure at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Click it here. Now go and check whether do you have any table with you. No, we don't have any table with you. Okay. So now when we'll create a pipeline, we'll get passed, then we'll get a table also here and data also here. Okay. That is our agenda. So let's come over here. Okay. So what should I do? I don't have to create any build pipeline. I'll directly jump to the release pipeline. Okay. Let's come to our release pipeline. Okay, let's directly come to our release pipeline. Create a new pipeline here. New release pipeline. That is this pipeline, it will create it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just try to go with the empty. Always go with the empty. Okay. Come back. So what should I do in the artifact? I don't have artifact with me, right? So what should I do? SQL script would be playing as artifact role, right? Very good. So do one thing. Let's go to your SQL artifact here. I'll go to here, okay? Click on this. Okay. And you'll just go back to. No, 1 minute. Yes. No, we'll not be getting to the build actually. Okay. We'll not going into the build this time. We'll go to the repo. Very good. Because my part is where? Yes, it is there in my repo actually. Okay. That's why we'll go to the Azure repo. Okay. We'll go to the Azure repo. And now we'll come over here. Okay. And we'll make it as a select the project. Which project you are in? 9M23, right? Okay. Which source you are in? SQL repo. Very good. Then dear, default branches, which branches it is? Very good. Main, no. I'll code. We saved it main. Yes. When he saved it, it asked me. I just give as a main only. Okay. So that's why it is coming as a main. No worries. Now next. Yes. That's it. Okay. SQL repo, right? Add it. So automatically pick up from there. Okay. Now jobs actually you have to choose. So what is related jobs actually we have? SQL, Azure SQL deployment, right? Just write Azure SQL deploy something. Okay, so you'll get it as a Azure SQL database deployment, or you'll just type it as a SQL deploy. Okay, so what is that? Azure SQL or SQL Server deploy? Why not Azure SQL? Go, buddy, tell me. Both will play an same thing will come. Okay, SQL Server also, and both will come same as your choice. You go with Azure SQL database deployment or go with this. Anything is not a problem. So let me take you to which one you want to go. Anyone know? Okay, let's see which one to go. Azure SQL or like SQL Server. Tell me, buddy. Let's go. I wanted to reply to my Azure SQL now. So let's go this here. Come back here. Okay. Come back basically. Now, what is your subscription, buddy? 9 AM to 2 portal. Okay. What is your you wanted to give the SQL authentication, right? Come here. What is your server name? You come here and give your server name. So then only it will go inside. It need access to server, right? SQL database will go into server, then will go into database, then it will hit the data, no? So you have to give those part here. Okay. So come back to your server. How will you gonna come? You have to come to your database. Come here. You have a server, complete server name. Okay, get that server name, copy it, and try to paste this one. Okay. After pasting this, you have a database with you. Okay. Come and give the database. So what is your database here? What is the database, buddy? Database name we have choose inside the server. We have given the database name, right? Why you are blank? We have created the server, right? After that, we created the database. No, that is the database asking. Okay. Have a look, dear. This is your server name, right? This is your server name, no? What is the database? This is a database, right? This is your database, no? Is there something to become a blank here? Nothing, not yet. Simple, right? Come here, dear. Okay. And paste to your where? Pipeline, right? Come here. This is my database. So I'm giving that, hey, this is the server and this is the database. Please insert the data in this. And we have to give credentials also. So Azure SQL login. What is the login name? So I gave this login name, right? Give this login name. Okay. And give the password. Azure at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you cannot give the wrong, it will not able to log in. It will not able to insert the data into your database. Okay. Very good. Come here. Okay. We have SQL files actually, right? So SQL script file, no? So choose that SQL script file. And what is your file name here? Come here. Okay. You can choose this one. Okay. But if you go with this also, it will automatically pick up only one. If it is maximum, it will go have to choose that. There might be chance not 10 script will be there in that. Okay. So if it is only one, automatically pick up. If not, then you have to go with this individual. 10 is there. Which one you want to go? So let's go with this. Okay. Anything else I left out here? Anything I left out here? Okay. No. Then do one thing. Okay. Let me fail this. I'll fail this. Okay. First. Okay. I'll fail this. How to fail? I'll drop the table here. Okay. What to drop the table? Employee table. First, I'll drop the table. Do I have a drop table drop employee there? No. So it will get filled automatically. Okay. Let's save it. Save, no? Very good. No. I am saving it to different one here. I'm saving to query. I'm saving to query and I have to go to that one. No. This one, right? Yes. Let's save it here. You have to take care of these points, buddy. Okay. Right. I'm saving here now. So let me go back and try to choose that here. Okay. Again, let's see. What is that? This is no correct one. Okay. It's already there. Come back here. That's it, right? That's it, no? Very good. Let's go to save. Give some comment. Okay. Create release. Okay. And go to the create release one. Go to release one. First of all, you'll try to go and check your SQL script is there or not. If it is there, it will go to first step. First step is drop table. You'll try to drop it, but table is not there. If it is table there, drop it. After that, you'll try to go with your create it. Then 1 data, 2 data, 3 data, then you'll get pass. Now it is coming to task. Okay, the task has come now. Okay, that means it is going to first step. What is the task? Task we have given it for a deployment. So it is activating the task deployment. First we go to the Azure here. It went to here, whether this is there or not. If it is getting, if it is there, it would have failed here only. Okay, so go and see that. In the real time, sometime you'll get this. What is the issue is coming up? The access token for the wrong something, it must be something is see or fail or something, whatever it is. Okay, so you know the reason, right? Close it, whatever it is. Come back to my where I should come here and leave that drop. Okay, save it. Okay, and again refresh it and again deploy it. Or let me go directly to edit one. Come back here, release this release, edit the release, edit the task. Task is right now. Okay, these are no changes. I don't want to make any changes. Okay, come to pipeline now. Okay, So I didn't make any changes. Refresh it and deploy it again. No, this is the different one. Sorry. I'm going back here. Come here. Edit here. Okay. So you create the release now. Go back to the release. Okay. Then this is a different issue. Okay. We don't have issue with the task. Okay. Come back here. See the issues. Let's read that issues first real quick. It says, sorry. Same issue. That means it is not. It is not issue with your drop table. It is a different. We ignore it, right? So no, that is a different issue. The access token is from wrong issuer. Okay. So let's see that. What is that? Okay, the access token for the wrong HTTP is NAT. It must match the TNAT. Okay, associated with some subscription. With subscription, please use authority HTTPS login to the token. Note that the subscription transfer to the TNAT. Okay, it's an issue with you that subscription. Please try to check it later. Okay, check your troubleshooting failure at the HTTP location. All right. This access token is from the wrong issuer. Okay. So basically, this is issue with your, like, it is not able to connect to your database itself. Okay. It is not able to connect. So it's a no, read that clearly. What is that? The access token is, access means what? What do you want to access? We wanted to access your SQL database, right? So this is all about. Very good. No worries. See what is that database. So temporary inline file invoke wrong from the wrong issuer. Right. Let's come back here and try to let me log in here. Let's see the table is access Azure S1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? I gave right or wrong. No, this is fine, right? And the password, whatever I mentioned here, is also fine. Edit the pipeline. Come here. SQL resource manager. SQL authentication, right? Mode is correct. Navin service is correct. Database is also correct. Login is also correct. Azure, this is also correct. Deployment is also correct. SQL database, SQL subquery, this is also correct, right? Okay. Let's choose a firewall. So firewall, do I need to give that range? So it says that range actually, but this is not a right thing. Okay. Every time will not be going with the IP address. That's fine. Let it take automatically then. Auto detect my IP address. Come back here, come back here. This is fine, this is fine. I use the repeat thing. Where the SQL query. Ramesh will do it, but Ramesh, 1 minute, no? We are facing some issues in the pipeline. Okay, let's resolve that. Then I'll come back to you. Don't worry. Okay. Let's do one thing. I'll try to go with the new pipeline. Because access seems to be same. Let me go with the new pipeline once again. Where to go? Release pipeline, right? Come back here. We'll create a new pipeline only. Query.sql and created. Is it? But here it's not issue. Okay, if you would have, okay, fine. If I have done the mistake with the query.sql, that also is fine. But only thing that is, it should show me that your query is not picking up. This is the access issues. Okay. If that is the case, it should give the proper access that no, it is not able to access your account here. Okay, or it is not able to access that proper SQL database. But this is a different story. This is not related to your query. It is access issues. So let's resolve that first one. Okay. Empty job. I'll go with empty job. Okay, come and select it. Come back here. Okay, pardon me. Repo. I'll go to repo. Project is 9 a.m. Source is SQL repo. Okay. Main only, no? Main. Default version, it will go to the default latest. Add it. Go back to my job. Okay. Just try to go with that SQL job. Anything is fine. SQL job. We'll go SQL job. Except this MySQL deployment, anything you can go with, buddy. This MySQL is there, no? Don't select the MySQL. We are using either Azure SQL or SQL Server. Okay. So don't go with this MySQL development. Close this. Come back here. Can you see? That time we are choosing the SQL. All are same. There's nothing different here. Okay. Come here one by one. So come to your tpack file. Where is that? SQL query file, right? Come here. What is my SQL file? No, this is different, it seems so. One media. SQL. What is the database name? What is the database name? Sorry. My database name, this is right. Azure 9 a.m. database. Fine, let's come here. Then username. Username. This is the username instance. Password. Azure @12345. There's no change. I already read the same thing. Then what is that coming up? Okay. What is that file you wanted to? You wanted to go for the Azure SQL. What is the file? SQL file. What is the SQL file name you have? 1 minute. So it is asking for the user looking at the SQL in the target, semi-comma, the SQL script will be deploy UNC path. But I'm already choosing it from there, right? It should not be picking up. Feedback. Okay. Now let me do this, okay? Then I'll come back to you. What is the DAPC? I'll tell you, okay? So main is the issue with this one. Then it is going to the local server. It is not going to server name. So let me go with the server. What is the server name? I'm having it. My server is no, I need a full address for that. We need a full address for this. This full address we need. Server name. Okay, so it will first try to connect with your using your server, then server name, database, or SQL author. It will go here, it will go there, and then it will try to push this code SQL query. Come back. But still, I'm not satisfied with these steps. Let's see. Actually, it should choose SQL script there, not a PAC file. Fail, right? Hmm. Invalid DAPC file SQL query is provided. So it seems like we have given the wrong SQL file here. Let me go edit the release, edit the task here. Hmm? It is not a dpack file, man. It's a SQL query file actually. Even a query file, that is script file actually. Dpack in this, we are not getting that query file. That's why it is giving the SQL file name here. Okay. Inline query, in query, you have to write a query here. That will not work out here. I don't want to give the SQL file also. It is not here. Just got it. Extension DOPAC, I think for the SQL. I'm looking, I have not created the DPAC file, Sam. Okay. I have created the SQL file. So I'll be going with the script file only. Okay. That is not the valid one. So why it is getting failure? I'm just surprised here. Azure Resource Manager. This is right, no? Then the portal is right. Naveen Azure 9 is right. SQL authentication I wanted to go. This is my server name. This is my database name, right? Login is Naveen server login. Fine. Azure this one. Is script file. From this I have chosen. If you go with the script file, it will ask you the different dpack file name. I'll go with the SQL script file. And this is my SQL script. Okay, this is my SQL script. Cancel it. Come down. Okay. Let's see. Let me run this one more time. If not, then we'll give a IP address and see. Do I'm doing any mistake here with the steps? You have a script development team. You should have a database on the server. Add to SQL script to Azure repo. Release pipeline. Choose artifact. Since the SQL script is there in the repo, this is fine. Add the task SQL Azure SQL deployment. Same job is same, no? Azure SQL deployment. You need to enter the details: server name, username, password, file, SQL script. Run the script. Validate the record. No, it's not able to. It's some issue with my access, it seems. Okay. Same message. The access of the token with the wrong issuer. Let's go and see. If you have same, if you just transfer your subscription, please try back later. Actually, I did it subscription transcription here from GHMC. No, it was in default directory, but I did it long back, not now. Okay. Check out your troubleshoot failure in this. Let's see. It must match the TN. It's issue with the subscription actually. So it's with this subscription. Please use the authority URL login to get the token. Please use the authority URL this one to get the token. So unable to connect to master, you must have users with the same password, supply credentials. This is fine. So it is not able to connect to my portal itself. So there is no issue with that script and all. It's a portal issues. Okay. Mm, So note if the subscription is transferred to another tenant, there is no impact on the services. But information from the new tenant could take time to propagate up to an hour. Actually, in morning 7:30, I just changed that from GHMC to here. But 1 hour is over, no? Uh, like we started by 9:15, right? So it over 1 hour. We have a default code here. Actually, I was in default directory actually. So I switched from default directory to GHMC in the morning batch. So is it impacting that? Let's see. The access token is wrong from the issuer. Okay. It must match the tenant actually. Yeah, it's an issue with the tenant only. So it's GHMC here. Do one thing there. Let me move back to GHMC default directory. I'll first switch my subscription. No, service connection is not. Service connection is fine. Guys, see, whenever you are getting any failure reason, right? First, try to go to the reason. It clearly says that, have a look in the reason here. Okay, it says that the access token is from the wrong issuer. Okay, it must match the tenant actually, whatever the tenant I'm using. So morning, what I did, I just tried to create a different tenant, newly created GHMC3 tenant. Earlier, it was default directory. So whenever you are trying to create a tenant, you are just moving the tenant, right? So when you are trying to move your subscription from one tenant to another tenant, it takes some time to reflect it. So I'm not sure that is the reason. I think this is saying the same reason all about. If you go the reason add, please use the authority code or note if the subscription is transferred from one tenant to another tenant, there is an impact to the services. Okay, there's no impact, but it took around, like it would take time to propagate up to an hour. So it is an issue. Okay. When I move it to from GH default directory, so let's do one thing. Let me take you back to GHMC. I'll transfer one back here. Subscription. Let me transfer it to GHMC. But again, it will take 1 hour then. It will not work out. We have to wait it out, or we have to again, if it transfer also, we have to wait for another 1.5 hour, because I just before he logged in by 9 o'clock he came. Morning batch and so on, then demo like how to transfer the subscription actually. So it is still in that default directory only. Okay. So if you'll change also, there is no point. We have to wait for 1 hour. So let's do one thing. I'll stop it here only. Okay. I'll not change to GHMC. I'll keep it to GHMC only. Anyway, it will come in 1 hour of time. Tomorrow class will see that. Okay. But there is no issue with the script here. There is no issue with your failed deployment. It's totally issue with the portal, no subscription. Okay. So first thing is either you have an active subscription. Yes, I do have active subscription. It's a pay as you go. So it will not, never it will deactivate. So whenever you're changing that from this, we have a 10 tenant. Have you done the Azure Active class? Azure Active Directory? Azure, no? That class will come to know. Azure Active Directory. Actually, what happened in Azure Active Directory class? Let's see. We all are working for Naresh IT. So Naresh IT cannot give you all the resource to the same different account to you, because it will cost them more. So what we'll do, same account we all will use. How? We'll create user for him, we'll create user for 10. We have 80 people, 80 users will create it. Okay. All the 80 users will not be working for same project. They'll work for the some other project. So let's see if you are working for Bank of America, so you is working for HDFC Bank. So whenever the HDFC Bank is needed, that will transfer the subscription to there. Make use of it. Whenever you don't need, give it to me. Like that we are playing. So that same thing I tried to show in the interview, like demo. Okay, fine. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, will not be changing that to default IP. I'll keep it the same GHMC3 only, and tomorrow we'll try to replicate this. Okay, it's an issue with the again. You can have a look here. Whenever you are going to any error, try to deep dive this error. It's clearly say that access token is from the wrong issues. Okay, authority. Note if the subscription has transferred. Yes, I have transferred it, but it says up to an hour, but it has crossed. Sometimes it will be plus minus. No. Let's see in the tomorrow class. Okay. Or if you want me to do it, I'll take it out and send a screenshot on the Telegram. There's no point. We'll do it tomorrow class once again. Better? You will try. Yeah, it's good. No, you try it. You try it. I'll give the steps to you. Okay, you just give a try. For you, there is no error because you haven't transferred that subscription. Okay. For you guys, it should be working. Okay. If not work, we'll see in the tomorrow class. Guys, after this topic, Azure SQL will be completed tomorrow. We'll start with the topic next is storage and then AAD. If the still issue is coming up, we'll first do the AAD only, Azure Active Directory. If not, we'll go with the storage, then we'll come to the AAD. Okay. Or let's do one thing. No, let's go with the AAD first, so that you'll know how to transfer the subscription from one place to another place. Let's do the AAD first, then I'll go with the storage. Choice is yours here. Okay. Fine, then I'm dropping up. Let's meet at the tomorrow class, guys. For what? No. Ramesh, you have said no. I'm not sure for what reason you say no. No. Can you write it answer? Mike, he might have sent something before only. I missed it, Ramesh. Can you drop why you said no? Anything else? Fine, then we'll wind up here. Okay, let's meet in the tomorrow class. No related to AD. So you don't want to go to AD first? Could you please say the steps we can try? Yes, definitely. Hold on, guys. Let me give you the steps real quick. Okay. So I'll give the error also. Okay. I'll give the error also so that you can see and you can replicate it. Okay. This, and you are looking for a script. Script you can generate it. It's simple. But anyway, if you want, I'll give it. Where is that? Fine. Anything else? Guys, Telegram, let's do tomorrow. Let's resolve this first issue. Then I will see the Telegram tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you so much. Video links are not getting me. Sai Vikas. Okay. Sai Vikas, if you're not getting a video, you have to contact to your admin, guys. Mr. Shrikant, it seems. Right? Shrikant, you are the admin, no? So please talk to Mr. Shrikant. What the step to? Nothing is there, madam. Okay. Or have a look here. I have already dropped you the script here, dear. Just copy this script and try to run it, buddy. Okay. So a step is nothing here. Yeah? You just see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create a table. I'm trying to add a data. That's it. If you want to delete the data, just make it like make some delete query also. Okay. There's nothing specific, dear. Bye, dear. Take care.